Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm going to talk to you about collagen, what it is, and how we can use it. Let's get started. Collagen is a super important protein that our body produces naturally. It's essential for beautiful skin, strong bones, healthy tendons, and much more. The problem is, as we age, we produce less collagen, and that's where collagen supplements come in. Now, what can we use collagen for? Well, it helps us have more elastic skin, strengthens our nails and hair, and improves the health of our joints and bones. Also, some people use it to improve their digestion and gut health. And how does collagen work? Basically, when you take it, it breaks down into amino acids, which are like little building blocks that your body uses to repair and regenerate tissues. It's like giving your body extra tools to stay in shape. As for the dosage, it's normal to start with about 10 grams a day. You can mix it with your coffee, smoothie, or even just water. Then, to maintain good results, you can go down to 5 grams per day. Of course, always follow the instructions of the product you buy. But watch out. As with any supplement, it's important to know that some side effects may appear. Some people may have an upset stomach or allergic reactions. So, as always, consult with your doctor before you start taking anything new. In short, collagen can be a great addition to your health routine, helping you improve your skin, joints, and much more. Remember to start with the recommended dose and adjust it as you feel. Take care and keep learning about health. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.